The VEVOR 450-piece Mechanics Tool Set stands out for its broad mix of 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch drive sockets that cover most automotive and household repair needs in one package. Its chrome vanadium steel construction with a polished finish feels solid in hand and resists rust and wear, making it a dependable choice for frequent use in a garage or job site. The range of torque capacity, from light fastening to very demanding breakaway work, gives you enough leverage to tackle stubborn fasteners without the tools feeling flimsy or overloaded. Beyond sockets, the inclusion of wrenches, bits, and key accessories means you rarely have to reach for a separate kit, which streamlines both setup and actual repair time. The tools are laid out in a molded high-density polyethylene case with a sliding orange drawer, so everything has a clear place and is easy to spot missing pieces at a glance. Despite the large piece count, the case is compact enough to carry and store, making this set practical for anyone who needs a portable, all-in-one solution for general mechanical work.